Okay, here we go. Welcome to another video from Doc's Lock. Looking at a foyer door. And this foyer door is not locking. So, I'm really going to need it to get locked. Okay, that's it. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, that's a problem. Okay, so 3582 short back mortise lock in aluminium. FSH electric strike, looks good. Brand is the Dormer lock. Spring pressure, fairly good. See where it's hitting. I mean, that's got a nice ramp. Right, so this part right here, smashing up against here, not working. All right, let's get into it. So what I'm going to try first is just by setting the lock back a few millimeters. Then we're going to try and set the electric strike back if that doesn't work. I can see it's just hitting right about here. That's what it's hitting. Just hitting there and getting stuck. So by setting it back 1 more millimeter, it'll probably be okay then. Let's get to it. Yeah, I think so. Okay, let's check it. Okay, so if we move that back, we're going to have to carve that out, so we don't need to really do that too much. Seems to be hitting the angle perfectly now. Good. Speed of the door closer now, let's check that. Could be a little bit softer. Right. normal operation. Okay, last check. I'm happy with that. Alright, so we use magic washers, use some WD-40. We didn't need any of this stuff, and we're done. So that was just simply the angle of the latch was not corresponding to the electric strike. When they married up, it hit on a bit of a flat spot, not allowing the door to close, and just adjust the door closer. So even though the faceplate was still in the same spot, we set the lock back a little bit, which means the angle of the latch where it was hitting got moved back a bit, so it hit on a nicer bit of the ramp and works well. Okay, thanks for watching.